you did not sleep in our room last night. Do I have bad breath or something? What's the problem?
I'm sorry honey, but you snore too loud. I can hardly sleep. I thought our having separate beds would solve the problem, but I was wrong. Even lizards fall when you snore.
Come on, it isn't that bad.
It's not just bad, honey, it's a nightmare. But hey, I guess I found the solution. WhiteNoiseDirect.com has white noise machines that may just be the solution we need.
White noise machines? Have you been maxing out my credit cards again?
Geez, honey, I just maxed it out twice. Don't make it look too bad. White noise machines are reasonably priced. I won't break the bank, I promise.
Okay, so how does white noise machine solve the problem?
It emits low-level sound variants, mostly natural sounds that masks noise. This means, you can snore all you want, I still get the sleep I need. Noise won't bother me anymore. There is a plethora of white noise machines for home or office use. There are also white noise machines for travel. WhiteNoiseDirect.com got them all in one place.
Well, if this white noise machine brings you back to sleep by my side again, please place an order today. I tell Bruce and Frank, we share the same problem. Love you honey.